guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So today I'm going to show you how to make kaccha kofta and pakka kofta curry. For that we need mutton, which is washed and dried, poppy seeds, roasted gram and crushed coconut, cashews and watermelon muskmelon seeds, salt, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder and some garlic cloves, 2 onions, oil, coriander and mint leaves, tomatoes, green chillies. For curry, poppy seeds, almonds, muskmelon and watermelon seeds, coconut powder, roasted gram and some lemon juice, allspice powder, which is Kabab cheeni, and black pepper powder. For curry, first we are going to chop tomatoes roughly. In a deep pan, we are going to add tomatoes, water and salt and let it boil. Till then, we'll roast our masalas. Add poppy seeds and dry roast it. Make sure it's not burning. Roast it until it's slightly golden brown. Once it's done, transfer it into a plate to cool it down. In the same pan, add coconut powder and roast it until it's golden brown. Same way, transfer it into a plate to cool it down. Now roast cashews and watermelon and muskmelon seeds. Now we are going to roast coconut powder, poppy seeds, roasted gram. This is done, we'll keep it aside. Our tomatoes are boiling. Till then, we'll grind our masalas. While we grind poppy seeds, coconut powder and roasted gram, we are going to add little water to make paste out of it. Our paste is ready. In a mixie jar, we are going to add mutton, salt, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, garlic cloves, garam masala powder, coriander leaves, green chillies and grind everything. Now we'll add coconut powder, poppy seeds powder, allspice powder, which is Kabab cheeni, and grind everything well. Now we'll slice onion to fry. If you want, you can chop the onions roughly, but I find this easier. Our tomatoes are ready. We are going to give it a little mix and mash it a bit. In a kadai, add some oil. When the oil is hot enough, add the onions. We are going to turn the sim off when the onions are slightly golden brown. Keep stirring in between so that it doesn't burn and give a bitter taste. Now the onions are ready. We'll take it out and let it rest. Till then, we'll make koftas out of grinded mutton. I cleaned the mutton once again and now I'm going to make some balls. Make sure the kofta balls are of same size so that it's easier to cook. Our kofta balls are ready to be cooked. Now let's take out the puree out of tomatoes. Squeeze as hard as you can because we want all the good juices of the tomatoes. Let's fry our koftas. For that, heat some oil in a pan. When the oil is hot enough, put the koftas. Save half of the koftas so that we can make kaccha koftas. Once it's brown on one side, flip the koftas and let the other side cook. The koftas should be dark brown in color. These are done on both the sides. We'll take it out in a plate. Now in an empty pan, add oil. Add some minced garlic and fry it until golden brown. Add the onion paste we made earlier and saute everything well. Now we'll add red chilli powder, salt, turmeric powder, garam masala and saute everything well. Now we'll add the paste which we made earlier and saute everything until the masalas leaves the oil. I added little more oil so that it doesn't stick. At this point, add green chillies and chopped coriander leaves and mix everything well. Now you can see the oil on top. Now we are going to add the tomato puree which we extracted. Add little by little and keep mixing it. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can see the mixture is boiling. Once it's boiled nicely, you can add the kaccha koftas first because this takes more time to cook. We'll let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the fried koftas. We'll cover it with a lid and let it cook for more 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll add some lemon juice. Give everything a good mix and let it simmer for more 2 to 3 minutes with a lid on top. Our tasty kofta curry is ready. To garnish it, I used some coriander leaves and fresh cream on top. I served it with cheese paratha. If you want, you can serve it with normal roti or any other paratha. You can even serve this with some rice. It tastes really good. This recipe is very easy and tasty. Do give it a try and comment down below if you tried it. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat to watch behind the scenes. Take care and I will see you in my next video. Bye.